Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate Threads account. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Threads. So once you open that, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom and click on two bars on the top right. From here, you need to click on account and you can see the second option, deactivate profile. Click on that. And here you can see that are you sure you want to deactivate your thread profile. Deactivating your profile is temporary. Your profile thread replies and like will be hidden until you reactivate by logging back in. So once you decided that you want to deactivate, you simply need to click on deactivate thread profile here and click on deactivate. So once you click on that, your profile will be deactivated. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.